Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. This is the sixth tutorial for HTML beginners. Today in this tutorial, I am discussing about the differences between the HTML strong B, strong element and B element and I and EM elements. What we discuss on today? Differences between HTML strong B, strong and B for bold and I for italic, E for emphasized. The differences between those elements. I'm clearly explained each and everything, some description and one example also with coding. Before going to topic, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web tutorials and digital marketing tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon, also you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, I'm going to topic. What we discuss on today, differences between the HTML strong and B elements and I and EM also. Okay. Differences between the HTML strong B elements and I and E elements. HTML also defines special elements for defining text with a special meaning. HTML also defines special elements for defining text with a special meaning. HTML uses elements like B for bold and I for italic. I for formatting output like B for bold and italic for italic text. I for italic text. And next one is the formatting elements were designed to display special types of text. B for bold text, strong for important text, and I for italic text, and EM for emphasized text. Differences between the bold and strong. The HTML element bold element defines the bold text only. The HTML B element defines the bold text only without any extra importance. The HTML strong element defines the strong text with added a semantic strong importance. And the HTML I and EM elements. The HTML I element defines the italic text only. The HTML I element defines the italic text without any extra importance. The HTML I element defines italic text without any extra importance. The HTML EM element defines emphasized text with added semantic importance. And the main difference between the strong B and EM I. Browsers display strong as B and EM as I. Browsers display strong as B and EM as I. However, there is a difference in the meaning of these tags. B and I defines the bold and italic text. B and I defines the only bold and italic text. But strong and EM means that the text is very, very important. Strong and EM means that the text is very important. I am provide this description also below the video, and the next I will explain with the example also. SHS Tech Solutions. This is the output. This is the output of this strong B, I, and EM. Okay. Suppose here I am write span. Here I am write the span tag. Copy and paste here. Here I am write the bold B. First of all, I am write the B. B for only bold. B for only bold. B for only bold. Next here BR. Also we'll check the output. Yeah, this is the output. This is the bold element. Next I am write the I. I is one of the best and professional web designing is I. Identify purpose, I am write the mark tag. Mark, yeah, this is the mark tag. Okay, mark tag means background is the yellow color. It can be identified easily and it can be highlighted with the text. Okay, next I write the strong here. Strong. Browser can't display any difference between the strong and B. Strong and B. Yeah, this is the strong. Strong and B as display same, but importance is different. That is the main difference. Next here I am write EM. EM and I looking like similarly, but the importance is difference. Okay. Yeah, it's I'm write the mark type. Some highlighting the content with the background. It is identifying very easily. Yeah, this is the EM tag. H2 HTML B element B HTML B element HTML I element HTML strong element HTML EM element. Okay, HTML B element, HTML I element, and HTML strong element, and HTML EM element. Browser can't to display any difference is the strong and B, but the importance is different. So this is the main difference between the strong and B. I hope we all are understand what are the differences between the strong and B, strong and B elements, and the I and EM elements also. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing again. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web tutorials and digital marketing tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail and your mobile also. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.